Guys, why you are unable to speak this language confidently? What is the main reason? Why you always get stuck? Every time you convey your message, you go blank, you forget the word. You dilute the word. Why this kind of things take place with you? Have you ever meditated about deeply why this kind of thing occurs with you? What is the root cause of this thing? My answer, or what I can say, my reply will be very simple. That is, your mouth is not trained to speak of this language, vocabulary, what I can say, pronunciation, and this is why you go blank, even when you know everything. Yeah. Suppose that you have to learn drive the car. So what is the main thing you will do? You will do very much. That is practical part. Once you learn the theory, yes. But we are repeating the very thing. That is, we keep learning this language by writing vocabulary, idioms, and there are multiple things that we try to learn by penning. Yeah. Our main goal is to train your mouth. Yes. Goal is to make our mouth flexible, because until and unless your mouth become flexible, you will not be able to speak this language confidently, or what I can say, peacefully. Yeah. And guys, you know me very well. I always focus on one thing, that is practice. Your mouth has not become habitual to speak this language, speech of this language. Yeah, that is why you always go blank. You dilute the vocabulary or whatever. So always try to learn things by speaking. Yeah. If you ask me, 70 to 80% tasks, yeah, which I do every single day, that is based on only practice. Whenever I learn any vocabulary, I make 5 to 6 sentences, then I go ahead. Yeah. Whenever I find any idioms, I just make sentence using those idioms. I don't try to write. Writing is very important. But remember one thing, in language journey, speaking come first. If you are able to speak, convey your message very well, then writing part become a piece of cake. Child plays. Yeah. First learn to speak. Yeah. Once you feel that now I am in intermediate level, yeah, I need to learn this language as well as speaking with writing. You can focus on both part. But if you are in a scratch level now, first learn speak sentences. Otherwise, you will find it rocket science. So this was my message. Always focus on your practice part. Yeah. Don't try to focus on the things that is passive learning, like writing the vocabulary, learning things. Yeah, you learn, but you don't train your mouth to speak. You don't make flexible, and and as long as you don't make flexible your mouth, you will not be able to utter of this sentence, not be able to utter of this language sentence properly. Even today, I get stuck, but I believe in myself. sooner or later I will definitely speak this language like a native. Yeah. And remember one thing, my friend, practice makes us perfect. Yeah. No matter how bad we are in whatever things, if we practice that thing, if we do that thing consistently, we will definitely become very nice with the time. So I don't want to make lengthy this video. Already I have given you speech very much. Yeah, and you have also worked. So this was my message for you, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment. You can leave a comment your opinion. Was it right or not? Bye.